Welcome back friends, this is Raman Sharma here and we are watching Redux Firebase Simple Block series, and this is a part 11th of this series, and in this part we are going to see how we can add the how we can add the reply in the reply section. So in the previous video we did this, like we have created one new component and under that component we have created this form here. But here one problem is there. So if the user is logged in, like here, so if the user is logged in, I'm going to copy this and let's go to incognito mode, and in the incognito mode, see that here we are getting, see that here the user is not logged in the comment section we are getting like this. But if the user is not logged in the reply, just we are getting do reply, we are not getting like this name and email. So we should get this also. So now we have to set up this. So first of all we will set up this, then we will set up the Redux for the reply, and after that we will start doing our logic here. So now without wasting any time, let's get into it. So this is our coding section here. So first of all, if you like this full series, then please subscribe the channel, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, please like this, and this will motivate me more to make these type of videos. And now let's go to the source folder. In the components folder we have the C post folder, and in the C post folder we have the reply form. So we will work through it. So now we are going to use command form also. So we have to use command form also. So from here I'm going to copy this all. So this whole thing I'm going to copy, so because this whole thing we want here, and this one, copy this, and let's move to the reply form, and in the reply form we are going to do this. So here we will write this whole thing. So first of all, so let me copy this first. So I'm pasting it here. Now we are getting some errors, so we are going to get rid of those errors, and here we have to copy this text area also. So I'm going to copy this text area, this form group I'm going to copy, or let me just copy this text area, and I am replacing this text area with this. So paste this, and now let's move further and let's paste it here also. So here we are checking if the user is logged in or not. Now here we want one button, these buttons here. So I'm going to copy this, and let's get rid of these. I'm going to remove these, we don't want these. Now here I'm going to paste it. So this is here, but we need the form here, so that's why I'm going to write here form, and here form will also close. Now let's save this. We should not get any errors. Form is here. Okay. So we don't want this. I'm removing this. We want form above here. So here we want form, and here also we want form. Just one form we need here, only one form we need. So here I'm writing the form here, and here I am ending the form. I'm going to cut this, and then I think this will be okay. Yeah, this is okay here, but we will get some errors here, so for that we have to resolve these. So here I'm going to enable this curly braces because we are under the JSX here, and now this form, we are under the form, so that's why we have to do this. So then here I'm opening this, and this is okay, this one. And after that, for this we have to create the fragment here, and here we have to close the fragment. Now this is done successfully, but we will get the error for is logged in because is logged in is not defined, as well as name and email is not defined. So we have to define those states also. So I'm going to write here name, and I'm going to set the name here, and then email. Here I'm going to set the email here. It will be an empty string. Save this, and here also we have to import the is logged in. Now let's go to the C post here, or I think in the command form, and in the command form, no, sorry, not in the command form, in the C post. So in the C post, see that here we are getting the reply form. So reply form, see that these current posting we are means we are mapping the comments here, and under that there is a reply form. So here we will pass if the user is logged in or not. Just save this. Now we should not get any errors here. Save this. Let's move further here. So now we should get rid of these errors. Refresh this. Is logged in is not defined. C post is logged in is not defined in the C post. Okay, in the C post is logged in is not defined. So there is a command form. Here is a command form, and in the command form we are getting this. So just I'm going to copy this only, and we are not going to pass it as a props. So let me remove this, save this, and let me remove this also. So we are just getting this from the Redux here. Paste it here. Now let's import use selector from the React Redux, sorry, and here we are getting is logged in. So now the error should go on here. So shallow equal, we also have to import that. So let's import this from React Redux. Now the error should go on. Now see that in the reply we are getting like this. So let me reload it again so that our user will be logged in. So let's go to admin here and post, and let's go to the C post, and under the C post here we are getting like this. Do reply. Now let's see if the user is not logged in. So let's reload it, and here see that we are getting the name in the comment, as well as in the reply we are getting the same thing as the user is not logged in. So now we have done this successfully here. So now we have to set up the Redux. In order to set up the Redux, so let's move here. Let's go to the Redux here. First of all, let's go to the types. So I'm going to remove, close this all, and in the types we are going to the post types here. So here we will create add reply, and this will be add reply here. Save this, and now let's go to the reducers here and go to the post reducer, and here we will create for the reply here. So this will be of same thing, and here we are getting add reply. So we are getting add reply here. So see that here we are finding the post here. So that is old post. Here we are finding the old post, and from we will pass the ID here. So we are matching the ID, and then from the old post we are getting the comments here, and here instead of pushing through the comments we are going to push the reply here. So here we are going to get the reply. So replies. So here we will get comments dot map. Then we are going to map all the comments here. So here now we have to match the comment ID also. So how we can do that? How we can match the comment ID? So we don't have to match the comment ID here. So these we have to match the comments index only. So here we will match comment and its index. So we will see if index is equals to this one, payload dot index, then what we are going to do. So if it is matching, then we are going to push replies, comment dot replies dot push. So we are going to push in the comments here, and that will be so let's do one thing here. So let's find the first of all comment here. So here we are going to we have to find the replies here. So let's find the current comment. So let's find the first current comment here, and then we are going to write comments dot find, or let's do it find. So we are going to find the comment here, and that will be through the index. Here we are going to see index, if index is equals to payload dot index, like this, and then we are getting the index of the payload also. And let's move further, and here see that we are getting here find post, then post data, then comments. We don't have to set the comments here. So here we will get the replies. So let's get the replies of these comment here. So that will be the current comment dot replies. So now we are getting the replies in this array here. Now we are going to copy this. So replies, we are going to push replies dot push payload dot reply. So now we are going to push the reply there. Now, so we have pushed the reply here. Done. Now we have to update the current comment also. So now let's write this current comment dot replies equals to replies. So these will be equals to the replies here. Now just I'm going to copy this. So let's copy this. I'm going to Control Z here. So current comment dot replies, and let's move further. So here we want this also, old post, to update the comments also. So old post, and then here replies dot push. So replies dot push payload dot reply. Then here we are going to push the replies. We are going to reassign the replies in the comments here with the updated replies, and then we are going to add the comments. So now we have to update the comments also. So we have to update the comments also. So how we can do that? So just we are getting the index here. So here I'm going to write comments dot index. So like this, comments index is equals to this one, current comment here. Now comments we have also uploaded here, then comments to these comments here. So this thing will be same. Save this. Now let's go to the creators here, action creators, and here we will create, first of all let's create the action here, and that will be add reply. So types dot add reply, and then this is data here. In the data we have to pass many things here. So I'm going to copy this for replies. So here do reply, and first of all instead of comment we need replies. So instead of comments we need replies here, and then these are the previous comments. These are the previous comments here. So let's go to the post reducer. Yeah, this is okay. Then we will check it. So here we are having the previous comments, but we don't need any previous comments here. So we need reply only. So here we are getting the reply, and after that these are the, then we need post ID. We need post ID also, and after that we need the previous comments also. So here we have to update the replies here. So here we also have to update the comments. So we need this thing also. So here we need reply, and then we also need the replies here. So then replies. So after getting the replies, actually we don't need replies here, just we need the previous comments here. So previous comments, and then we need the index here, and now we are getting the indexes also. So here first of all we have to update our replies here. So here we are getting the old comments, that is previous comments here. Then we have to write the update the index here. So here index dot replies. Now let's get the replies also. So I'm going to get the replies. So we are getting the replies here, and then we are going to push replies dot push our reply here. So now we are getting the replies also. So now old comments dot push, or old comments dot replies, old comment index dot replies is equals to replies. So now we are getting this. Now see that here we have already updated the replies here. So here we have already updated the replies. Now here we can make this simple very much. So here see that we have updated the replies also, and we have updated the comments also. So first of all just I am going to return, and then just I am going to console.log old comments here. Just I am going to console log this old comments after doing this everything. So here we are getting the all comments here. So all comments, just simply we can do the same thing like we have done in the add comment. Now we don't have to do this whole thing here, just we are going to do this, and here I'm going to write old post, copy this and paste it here, and also paste it. Just we need to pass three things here: post ID and then comments. So we need to pass post ID and then we need to pass the comments here. So here just we have to do this thing, old post dot post data dot comments. So just we have to update the comments here. Now save this, and now we have set up the Redux here. So now let's move further towards the validation. Now let's go to the reply form and let's do the validations here. So validations will be same as of this one. So just I'm going to copy and paste this from the comment form. Same thing we have to do. I'm going to copy this and let's move here, and in the reply form, and here I'm going to paste it. So paste it and handle submit, everything is there. We have to import the use dispatch, import it, and then if not comment, instead of comment we are going to do the reply here. Copy this and instead of comment, reply, and then here also reply, and here instead of do comment we will write do reply here. So do reply, we are going to pass the data, and data is there. Then we are going to pass the current post ID. So current post we have to get from here, current post, and let's go here to the comment C post here, and in the C post we are also going to pass current post. So current post, now save this, and here let's go to the in the reply form again, and here we have the current post, we have also the user, so everything is same, and then do reply, and then we are going to pass the comments. Also we have to give the index of the comments. So how we can get the index of the comments here? So for that we have to go to the C post, and in the C post here we should get the index here. See that here we are getting the index here. So here it will be the index as index here, and just save this, and let's go to the reply form here, and here I'm going to get this from here, index, and then we are going to pass the index also. So index we are going to pass, and here also we are going to pass the index here, index, and here instead of this it will be the reply, and here comment it will be the reply, and is logged in we are also getting post owner false, and everything we are getting here the set reply. Everything we have done perfectly. Now just save this and let's go here. So here we have to import the toast also. Import this, save this, and now let's see it here. Now we should not get any errors. Line 144. So where is line number 144? Okay, here is do reply, and other we don't want. Save this. Post action creators comment is not defined. So in the post action creators this comment is not defined, so let me comment this. Save this. Now we should not get any errors. See that here we are not getting any errors. So now in the reply, whenever we click on this reply here, so we are not getting anything because we haven't added the handle event also. I'm going to copy this and let's go to the form here, and here I'm going to write on submit. This will be the handle submit. Save this. And now let's go to the reply and click on reply here. See that we are getting please fill in all the form. So actually I am logged in here, so that's why I have to first move to the admin post and then see post. Here we will fix this bug also, and here we are not getting this reply button here. Now we should get this reply button also and cancel button also. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Now save this. Now we should get the reply button here. So on the reply, see that please add the comment, and now let's inspect this. I'm inspecting this here. Now here I'm getting hello, this is a nice reply. Now click on reply button here. See that we are getting we should get the updated comments. So see that in the updated comments we are getting the reply here. See that we are getting this is nice reply on the comment. This is comment by the post owner. So this means that this is very good now. So now we can move it more further. So let's apply the logic. Now just the small work is pending. So just we have to remove this and just come here. Here we are getting the post ID, and then in the comments, so we are just commenting, just we are adding the comments here. Now in the dispatch, so we are dispatching this comment, but here instead of this dispatch, so here we are dispatching this. So instead of this dispatch, we are going to here in the this will be the add comment in the previous one, and here will be the add reply. So add reply is there, and here we are going to add the reply here, and in that we are going to pass the just comments. We are going to pass the old comments. So I'm going to copy this and let's go to the post reducer, and here will be the payload dot old comments here. Then here will be the old post. Just we have to save this, and we also have to save this. So I'm going to write reply added successfully and just save this also. Now let's go here. So old comment is not defined, so here will be the old comments. Copy this, save it here, and here also will be the old comments. Save this. Now we should not get any errors here. So yeah, everything is correct. Let's move to the admin here. We have to go to the post here. So in the post, in the C post, now here see that we are not getting any errors here. Reply, we are not getting anything. So here I'm going to write this is reply by the owner. and now click on reply here. Now we should get reply added successfully, and let's move here. Now here we should get also state and post. In the post, then first post, then let's go to the post data, and here in the comments, in the first comment, now we should get one reply here. See that here we are getting reply here. Now let's do one thing here, just add one more text here to see how many replies are there. So here let's go to the C post here, and in the C post, just let's add one paragraph tag, and that will be the replies here. So comment dot replies dot length. Here we are getting replies. Save this. Now we should get the replies also. So how many replies are there? So one reply. So see that one replies, zero replies, zero replies. So let me reload it. So I am reloading it. Now see that still we are getting one replies here. So this means that our reply is working here. Now let's go here if the user is not logged in. So let's reload this. So if the user is not logged in, now here let's add one more reply, and let it be the test user. So test user, and email like this, or r@test.com. This is reply by test user. Now let's click on reply, and here we should get two replies. Here we are getting two replies. And here if I will reload this, so here I should also get two replies here. Now we have done adding the reply here. Now in the next video we will see how we can show the replies here. So for today this is enough. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next.